so big, he kind of makes me nervous.
Huh? Ah, don't worry, Clifford. Big dogs can be big fun.
Hey, there you are! Hey, check this out, guys! I've got puppy dog power!
Whoa! We were almost puppy pancakes.
Maybe we should ask him not to play so rough.
Great idea. You first.
Bobby, I was, wondering if, maybe we could play...
Another game? Sure!
There is no way we can get pounced on by the big guy now.
Guys, this is boring.
No way!
Oh, having fun here.
This is great!
I'll bet you like this better! Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm fucking Bronco Bobby! Ride 'em, cow pops! Puppy dog power!
Whew. Now that was scary.
Not if you kept your eyes closed.
Oh boy! Look what I found! Come on, guys! What did he say? That was great! Now what are we gonna play, huh, guys? Now what? Huh?
Jorge, are you sure big dogs are big fun?
Well, this big dog's having a lot of fun. It's just that we're not.
Well, let's face it, Jorge. Bobby just plays too rough for us.
He sure does, but what can we do about it?
We've got to tell him.
Wow, great idea, amigo. Go ahead.
Ready for our next game, guys?
Gee, Bobby, we really do want to keep playing, and...
He's right, but,
That's great, because I'm having the best time. You are the nicest friends I've ever had.